Hello, hello. I need you mentally look at your shopping cart if you have those two things. If you do, you pay the tourist tax. This is just generic thing you get. I'm going to show you 12 items that separate the tourist from Chinese mom, upgrade your life. And in the end, I'm sure this what I eat growing up in China during Chinese New Year, puffed up in your life. So crunchy. Let's go. Look at this whole wall of soy sauce. You probably, as a tourist, you grab this one for dipping your sushi. This is just salty. Don't use that cooked Chinese food. Look at this. I found this here at Lotte Plaza. They have my favorite soy sauce. And I've even wrote a book about Asian market shopping, how to pick ingredients. If you follow me for a while, you're already shaking the bottle for 4 years with me. Thank you. But if you're first time here, this is how you can tell if it's a good bottle of soy sauce. So you shake the bottle. Look at that. If there are bubbles forming like this, they don't disappear right away. That's good bottle of soy sauce. And that's fermentation and amino acids. Look at the color, stays on the wall of the bottle, so that's protein. That's good bottle of soy sauce. This is Doubanjiang and Haitian. Look at that. Thanks for shaking bottle with me. Let's go on the next adventure. Right here, you see the Sichuan peppercorn. That's always I buy for my pantry. There are two different ones. Some of you complain your Sichuan peppercorn tastes like dirt because you have to look at the date. Peppercorn are like coffee beans. They expire so quickly. If you buy a lot, they just won't have any taste. And there are two different kinds of you need to buy. Red one and green one. What's the difference? The red one used for a lot of stew, stir fry, like your Mapo tofu, use the red one. And the green one is more numbing. If you first time trying Sichuan peppercorn, the green one maybe is more shocking in your tongue. The red one is more aroma, more frequent, but less numbing. So, which one you're gonna buy? They're both good. Yes, this is what you need to get instead of sriracha. I thought I'd show you at home is easier because I can open it, show you inside. Can't open in the market. But we'll be back on the market soon, don't worry. This is the brand I buy right here, 捐城牌. So 捐城 is the brand in Pixian. Pixian is a town very famous for Sichuan douban. You can see the bigger pepper pieces in here and beans, also chili oil. Oh, this smells so good. You can also use for dipping sauce too. This is the soul of Sichuan food. If you're not buying this, you are missing out. If you want to cook real Chinese food, Sichuan food, get real ingredients. Let's back to the market. Yeah, next one. If you stir fry smell a little funky because you missed this step, as you tourist, you probably pick this Mirin Japanese cooking wine, but this is not for Chinese food. It's a little sweet, right? You need this Chinese cooking wine. This will get rid of your meat, bad smell, and elevate your food, especially meat, fish. And this is from Shaoxing, a town in China, famous for cooking wine. So grab these, you elevated your stir fry and your meat. Look at this. Cooking wine expert right there.
That's right. That's right. Hey,
yeah.
I'm older than the jar. Okay.
Is that funny? It was a fan walking by, two guys. Said, oh my God, are you on YouTube? He said, I said, yeah. And then he said, you have the pickle jar. I said, yes. I look at him. I said, oh, must be older than you. He said, yes. So even funnier.
He's so excited.
Yeah. Next thing I always buy here is vinegar, the dark vinegar. If you can find the aged one, that's good. I usually don't use white vinegar. You can clean your window with that, but if you need a white vinegar, use the rice white vinegar, like this one. This is the same brand as my soy sauce. They're all good. But everyday use, most of the time, I use the dark vinegar. Again, this has just much more complex taste. It's a regular one, and this is aged. This is a 3-year, 6-year aged. Both are very good. Moving on, next one. You know I'm cheap. Look at those fresh mushrooms. They are 90% water, so you pay for all water. So I buy those dried shiitake mushrooms. They are concentrated flavor when you soak them in that brown water. Don't throw away. Your soup base is so good in the soup. All these comments say I use the lettuce. My viral cabbage stir fry, it's not lettuce. Must be you, the tourist. I use Chinese flat cabbage. This is not lettuce. You don't use the lettuce to stir fry. They become very soggy, soft. This is more crunchy flavor and perfect for your stir fry. So when you come to Asian market, looking for this flat cabbage, not lettuce. So you know the secret next time. Okay, when you buy tofu, I know you always buy the soaken tofu, but you need to buy the firm tofu for your Mapo tofu for stir fry. Otherwise, the soaken tofu falls apart. Can't even take it out. So next time, remember, firm tofu for your stir fry and Mapo tofu. Don't be a tourist. Only no soaken tofu. Warning you. Oh wait, you need this. Look at that. Chinese sausage. The tourists, they buy hot dogs. This sausage, you can just throw it in your rice cooker. The fat melts in your rice. Oh, so good. And you can do your fried rice with those sausage, not hot dog. Salty and sweet really flavor your rice. And they have big selection here. So many brands of the Chinese sausage. All these are good. Look at how many noodles are right here. Which one are you gonna use for 担担面? The dry noodles I use. This one says 担担面. Look at this. Not the Italian noodles spaghetti. They won't absorb the Sichuan sauce very well. And if you want noodles with eggs, here are egg noodles, wider cut, and a skinnier one. But if you are vegan, try those dry noodles. They are just wheat flour, salt, and water. Really simple. Lunar New Year is coming. Don't buy pear. Pear in Chinese is separation. So buy the pomelo. Look at this. It's huge, but this means abundance. And the bigger is better. For your big luck this year, buy the pomelo for the Chinese New Year. Let's pick a good one. This one. Here the character fu means good luck, good fortune. So hopefully I have a good 2026. Oh, I have to show you this. You as a tourist, I know you buy these puffy chips or puffs. They're just air. What we eat for Chinese New Year is this. This raw shrimp chip. I have to show you the magic. The best chip you ever have. When they touch the oil, they become magic. This is the last one. Let me show you this at home. Now we are back here in my kitchen. Add some cooking oil. On high heat, I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. If you don't, the temperature here, 375 to 400. Look at the smoke. Turn it off. Otherwise, will burn your chips. Watch carefully. This is very fast. Oh, they become like 4 times bigger. Look at that. Blossom flowers. Wow. Make your own chips. Don't buy the puffs. You're just buying air. Waste of money. Look at this. So easy. Take them out right away. Don't burn. I made so much. Look. Instant flour. 3 bowls. Mountain of snacks. Don't cost pennies. Let's try this. Oh, so crunchy. So crunchy, so good. Every year, Chinese New Year, 春节, my grandma will make this. They are gone in 2 seconds with all the kids. Oh, this just sounds like New Year's to me. If you serve this on the table, everyone will love you. Hello, hello. This one is for you. Look at that. It's like a New Year. So let me know what you buy for New Year and how you celebrate. I will be doing more cooking, shopping. There are so many things in Asian market, Costco. I haven't tried Trader Joe's. Maybe I should review some of it because my Asian friends, they always buy some frozen dumplings. I never had it. Just curious. Let me know. What should I review or what's the next recipe you want to see in my video. And my next one, Chinese New Year dinner, is coming. It's coming for you. I will see you next time. 再见，宝宝。我们下周见啊。Yeah.